By 2030, more than 100 million electric cars will be on our roads worldwide. To achieve the fastest possible charging times and longer ranges, ever more powerful batteries are needed. But this extra power comes at a price. Batteries with higher capacity and power density must be able to provide more energy quickly, which can lead to higher heat generation. This can result in thermal runaway of the cell, because if a battery gets too hot, the chemical reactions are accelerated, releasing a large amount of heat that can spread throughout the battery pack quickly. A process that can lead to the destruction of the battery, or even to an explosion or fire within seconds. A thermal event of a battery cell sometimes cannot be prevented. But the thermal propagation, like a thermal runaway, may be slowed down significantly by a flame barrier. Freudenberg Sealing Technologies has developed a new, innovative material for this purpose. The teams in Weinheim, Germany and Plymouth, USA worked together to bring this idea to the market.
We are starting with a polymer. It's silicone, more than 200 degrees stability, but not 1200 degrees stability. How to realize this? The special fibers which are inside give this extremely resistance together with a filler package which have certain behavior, endothermic, intumescent behavior and stabilizing for the polymer. When we combine this in a mixing process at components, then we will get this mixed material.
The material is resistant to electricity, withstands heat development of up to 1,200 degrees Celsius, and offers protection against minute particles released under high pressure during thermal runaway.
And the material would have to have the flame hitting it for 10 minutes at 1200 degrees C and not break through. And we would not only measure the temperature on the front of the material, but we would measure the back temperature of the material, and it had to be a certain amount lower than the front so that not only did it barrier the flame, but also barrier the temperature transfer through the material.
Installed between the individual battery compartments, the material slows the spread of flames, gases, and particles to the neighboring cells. The material can be processed entirely according to customer specifications by injection molding or extrusion.
With our new materials, we could develop a series of products which are used in different positions of the battery. Flame barrier mats, flame barrier profiles, 3D parts, which protects persons, people, and make the future EV batteries safer.
Freudenberg is already producing flame barriers in complex geometries from the new material for various OEMs.